Hi, I'm Olivia, and welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second-ish look at what happened this past week at SJIES. Start the clock. Monday was the start of a peaceful and joyful week, the virtue of this week, enthusiasm. Tuesday, we checked in with the early years team and found the grade 1 showing their peacefulness and enthusiasm as they were choosing books and reading independently in Reader's Workshop. Wednesday was Poetry Day. There was a number of events around the school, including a poetry picnic where students got to share a range of fantastic poems. Thursday, the Prep ones were enjoying some play with students showing off the police card that they had created as part of their All About Me IPC unit. Friday, it was a stack-off tournament in the pavilion. There was a lot of determination and unity on display as all the houses went head-to-head in a competition to earn the most house points. On behalf of Jess, Zara, Sophie, Andrew, Miya, and the rest of the Week That Was team, I'm Olivia, and we'll see you again next week.